Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Rashashtra and Vaishishya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we'll deal regarding the Nasya Kalpana. So in the last session we have dealt regarding the classification of Nasya based on its pharmacological action as well as the general indication, contraindication of the Nasya Karma and general dose and time for the administration of the Nasya. So today will deal regarding the Nasya Karma procedure. So, general method of administration is that according to Acharya Sharangadhara. So, first, a special dust-free room with a suitable condition to carry out the Nasya Karma is selected, where the proper hygiene is maintained with regulated air ventilation. So, after proper Dantadhavana and medicated Dhumapana, the patient is advised to lie comfortably in a supine position on a Nasya table, and a soft pillow is given below the neck so that the head is tilted backwards a little. And now the Stanika Snehana and Swedana is done. And later the patient's eyes are covered with a cloth and the nose tip is gently pressed backwards, and the lukewarm Nasya Aushadha is administered in both the nostrils simultaneously in a in the specified dosage. And while pouring the Nasya Aushadha, we have to see that its flow does not break, and it is poured tactfully using a golden or silver shukti like the spoon. And patient should be advised in advance that while medicine is administered, he should not shake his head and should not show anger, talk, and contract his facial and nasal muscles, and should not laugh. And if the patient does uh, so the medicine does not reach the destination and in turn causes the kasa, pratishaya, shiroroga, and as well as the netra roga. So the medicine should reach the shringataka marma and stay there for a stipulated time to exert the desired action. So coming to the Nasya Dharana Kala. So soon after the administration of the Nasya Aushadha, the patient is advised to stay still in the same supine position until 5, 7 or 10 Matra Kala. So later then the patient can sit up and spit the medicine that has entered his oral cavity towards his left or right into a container, and he should not spit leaning towards front. By doing so, the flow of medicine inside the head will be hampered. And after spitting to his sides, the person should lie back again in a comfortable supine position for 100 matra kalas. And during this time, he should avoid sleep, anxiety, dust, and anger. At the end, patient is advised to get up, wash his face with warm water, perform warm water Kavalagraha, and take Shirovirechana Dhumapana to clear the blocked channels of the head and neck after Nasya Dravya administration. The person is advised to use warm water for drinking and bath, and he is also asked to consume light, easily digestible food after the Nasya. So after Nasya, he should avoid dusty areas, hot sun, alcohol consumption, head bath, long walks, anger, etc. So coming to the Samyak Lakshana of the Nasikama. So according to Acharya Charaka, there is Indriyachata Prasadha, Ura Lagutha, Shiro Lagutha, and Sroto Vishuddhi. According to Acharya Shushruta, Shiro Lagutha, Sroto Vishuddhi, Indriyachata Prasadha, Chitta Prasadha, Vikaropashama, and Sukhaschavasa, Sukha Swapna Prabodha, according to Acharya Vakpata, like Netra Lagutha, Vak Vishuddhi, Netra Teja Vriddhi, and Sukha Swapna Prabodha, according to Kashyapa, like Netra Lagutha, Sroto Vishuddhi, Indriya Shaddha Prasadha, Netra Teja Vriddhi, Chitta Prasada, and according to Acharya Sharangadhara, Netralaguta, Sroto Vishuddhi, Indriyaschata Prasada, Chitta Prasada, Vikaropa Shama. So Ayuga Lakshanas according to Acharya Charaka, Shiro Gaurava and Deha Gaurava, Galopalepa and Nishtivana, Upadeha, Rukshata, Vata Vaigunya and Srotasa Kafa Srava according to Acharya Shishruta, Kandu, Nasa Shusha, Ashishusha, Akshistambata, Stabdatha, and Shiro Shunyatha, according to Acharya Bhagavata, where Upadeha and Kandu are the Ayuga Lakshanas. According to Kashyapa, Shiro Kaurava, Deha Kaurava, Rukshata, Srotasam Kafasrava, and according to Acharya Sharangadhara, Shiro Kaurava, Deha Gaurava, Rukshatha, Srotasam Kafasrava, Kandu, and Upadeha. So Atiyoga Lakshanas, according to Acharya Charaka, Shiro Vedana, Netra Vedana, Shankha Vedana, Suchituda Vatpida, Vata Vritti, and according to Shushruta, Acharya Shushruta, Shiro Gaurava, Shiro Shunyata, Indriya Vibhrama, Mastulunga Kama Kandu, Praseka Pinasa, according to Vagbata, Shiro Gaurava, Praseka and Aruchi, according to Kashyapa, Shiro Gaurava, Deha Gaurava, and Rukshata, Srutasam Kafasrava, and according to Acharya Charangadhara, Shiro Gaurava, Shiro Shunyata, Indriya Vibhrama, Praseka. So coming to the examples, Shunkyati, Thaila or Kritha, the reference from the Vaishyajaratnavali, Nasa Rokadikara. So coming to the ingredients, Vata Dravyas like coarse powder of Shunti, Kushta, Pippali, Bilvafalamacha, Draksha should be taken each 400 grams, and water for the decoction or the kashaya it should be 8 liters, and it should be boiled and then reduced to the 2 liters. And Snehadravyas, Telataila 500 ml or Gogruta 500 ml should be taken. In Kalkadravyas, so the same as that of the Kvatadravyas, which is mentioned above, should be taken in the fine powder form, and it should be taken in the dose of like of the 25 grams each should be taken each drugs. And method of preparation is the general method for the sneha kalpana or that is thaila or krita kalpana. So coming to the uses, this grita or thaila used daily for nasya, that 3 drops in each nostril should be administered, so it will cure shavatu and the nasaputa, that is nasal crust roga, and kalingati apabheda and Thailandsya. So reference from the Vaishyajaratnavali, Nasarogadikara. So coming to the Kalkadravyas, the fine powders of the Indrayava, Hingu, Maricha, Laksha, Tulasi Bicha, Katfala, Kusta, Vacha, Shigru, and Vidanga. It should be taken each 15 grams. And Snehadravya, Sarshapathaila, that is 1 prastha, should be taken. And Dravadravya, Gomutra, and Jala, 2 liters each should be taken. And method of preparation is the general method of preparation of the thaila kalpana should be followed. And coming to the uses, this oil used daily for nasya will cure the apinasa, that is chronic rhinitis, and putinasya roga, that is sinusitis. So this is regarding the today's topic, nasya kalpana. So if any queries, please mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.